been on this in a long time, let me catch the beat. Ain't been on this in a long time, let me catch the beat. Ain't been in this in a long time, let me catch the beat. Yeah.
When you left in 2018, I started sipping drink. When let nobody fuck with you, baby, I'ma let it bang. I'm still the same nigga right now, ain't nothing changed. Black and white diamonds, I put that shit on my chain. I ain't say like
This in a long time, you know I'm out the drain. In Calabasas, sipping the same color as the sky's paint. 20 karat VS diamonds in my piggy ring. This feel like 2018 again, I love when it rain.
yeah, but I had to get me a new bitch. Yeah, 2020 I'm sipping Tris. Oh, my bitch think I ass it. Lorena, bitch, I can't miss. In MIA fucking your bitch. Just put up in all black photo. All the bitches taking photos. Right up in this bitch dolo. She watching all about the coco. Put up 10 reds, that ain't your business. Let me put you up on the hit list. Stand on my racks, I'm 6. She wanna come to the penthouse and kick shit. Can't make a hit, but you're missing. Yeah. When you left in 2018, I started sipping drink. When let nobody fuck with you, baby, I'ma let it bang. I'm still the same nigga right now, ain't nothing changed. Black and white diamonds, I put that shit in my chain.
I ain't say like this in a long time, you know I'm out the drain. In Calabasas, sipping the same color as the sky's paint. 20 karat VS diamonds in my piggy ring. This feel like 2018 again, I love when it rain.
Let me tell you something, this Lorena, LV on my brother. Same gang on the beat though. Spit train, no espresso. 2 cups, no lid though. My pockets 2 above yours lit up. Carrying this new $100 on my wrist. Turn to this home and find a new bitch. Yeah. And the white beater, we don't need no kicks. Double C sandals, I don't need no kicks. Sipping my car is the funnest it get. Upgraded whip, this the fastest it get. In a new big, we gon' let it top off. Back in the day, she ain't need one to foot. Now count up hundreds in a Bentley truck. Bitch, I'm not lagging, I got it tucked. I was my bad, I don't give no fucks. Yeah.